Welcome back to this video. And to this tutorial, you are going to learn how to get free phone number for verification, step-by-step guide. So let's go. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more tutorial about free stuff like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. So for you to get free phone number for any online verification, any country of your choice, first thing you need to do is to make sure you head over to this particular website right here. You can see the website URL from the screen, smsonline.cloud. Okay, that is the website URL. When you get to the site, you can simply scroll down and see available phone number for different countries, such as US, Germany. You can scroll down and see more country as the case may be. Okay, now for you to see all country phone number on this particular website, what you need to do is to navigate to the top right here. Make sure you click on country. Then after click on country, this is going to drop down so you can see all available countries such as Japan, India, Russia, United States, Nigeria, Brazil, Taiwan, France, Mexico, Hong Kong, Germany, Vietnam, China, Indonesia, Singapore, South Korea, Philippines, and United Kingdom. Then you can also click on show all countries right here. This allows you to see all available country phone number that you can use for any online verification with this particular website. So just like so, you can simply scroll down and see all countries available. So for Japan, about 16 phone number is available for Japan. Then for China, about 14 phone number is available. For United States, about 13 phone number is available. You can simply scroll down and see more country. Right here, about 11 phone number is available for South Korea. For Germany, about 10 phone number is available. For Taiwan, about 10 phone number. For India, about 9 phone number. You can scroll down and see more as the case may be. Now, if you want to use any phone number from this particular website, any country phone number, so let's for instance, you want to use United States phone number to verify for website or any mobile app, what you need to do is simply click on United States. So just like so, it's going to open up into this particular page. You can simply scroll down and see available phone number for United States that you can simply use for any verification online. Okay, so let's for instance, I want to use this one right here. This number here was posted on the site about 4 days ago. So I'm going to click on the United States just to use the number. So just like so, you can see right here. Now, for you to use this number, what you need to do is to simply click here to copy. So when you click here to copy, the phone number is going to copy. Then you can go ahead and use the phone number on the web or any app that you need to use it for verification. And one thing you need to take into consideration before you can get any number from this site is that make sure the active status here is active. Okay, this is very much important. Okay. And when you copy the number and you use the number in anywhere you want to use it, you can simply come back to the page. What you need to do is to simply refresh the page. When you reload the page, simply scroll down and look for your verification code, just like so. So you can see this is how your verification code is going to look like. Okay, so this is the person that used this particular number in the last 3 minutes ago, and he used this number on the dating site, just like so. So you can see this person here also used the number for cloud. Then you can scroll down and see this person used the number to open TikTok account 23 minutes ago. This one used it to open a Netflix account in 27 minutes ago. Coinbase 29 minutes ago. Snapchat account 33 minutes ago. Then AliExpress about 41 minutes ago. So this is just to tell you that the number here active here, they are very much genuine, and you can use it to verify on any website. Look at the Microsoft Temun account, and this one also use it to create a Telegram account. So it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to get free phone number for any verification online step-by-step guide. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about free stuff like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.